Tower Delta 1705, Bernie for
Delta 1705, Atlanta Tower, 1807, coming out of right, clear to land.
clear to land, on right, Delta 1705.
7, or now the lightest, and we're now looking Mike 2 clear for takeoff.
That's the lightest, on our left, Mike 2 clear.
Still 1198, when turn, and now with Mike 2 on up and wait. For delay for intro station, traffic will be downfield.
5130, Atlanta Tower, 1809, coming out of right. 9 right, clear to land, there.
629 on a tower, right, on a plate.
Right of way, 8 right, American 609.
Delta 61, connect, park, connect.
Delta 61, connect.
American 25, 96.
Very sweet, so we'll get away to that hotel. Delta 1971, Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind company.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus, Delta 1971.
Delta 2684, company, November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 20,
There, 3514, and Papa Cross went on the left, run Lima, 175.
and Papa Golf 9 west, 175, Delta 914.
438, traffic 2.5 out, cross going out of right, turn left on November. South 9012, turn left on November, hold short Papa.
Left and order, hold short of Papa, Delta 2012. Denver 3301, disregard traffic.
Good night.
Good night, man.
Coming out of left, run Lima, 175.
Right across, line, 9 left on, lane, 175,
Delta 1971, up Papa Cross going out of left, run Lima, 175.
Cross 9 Papa, join Lima, point 7, fire 1971.
Delta 2438, at Papa Cross going out of left, run Lima.
Departure for Delta 1094. Delta 1094, yes sir, good night, departure, good night.
Good night, thanks.
Left 7557, Arnab Ronnie, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff 8 right, Arnab Ronnie, 7557.
Southwest 5614, on a tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
8 right, line up and wait, Southwest 5614.
Alright. Delta 2338, taxi by the group.
Taxi blue, Delta 2038. Kind of start to get up.
American 629, good day.
On 1708, runway 8 left, clear land.
Clear line 8 left, go to 1 line.
It's on November, hold short of Papa.
Okay, cross 9 right, and here at Charlie, left on November, short of Papa, Delta 2049.
8 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 5614.
Delta 503, on a tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
Here right, line wait, over.
That's on November behind Southwest.
Delta 1378, taxi by the Toulouse. Take a look, Delta 1378. Delta 15.
It's on November. Hold short of Papa.
Take cross 9 right, just here, Charlie, left on November, short of Papa, Delta 24.
40 right, so take off Southwest 5614.
Delta 503, 11 right, right, on the way. You're right.
Left on November behind Southwest.
Now we're going to recross.
Bravo 11, Victor, we've got 4699.
1000.
503, gonna park there. Delta 766, start at 71682, Atlanta, up 1682, line the way, slowly right, east right.
approaching minimums. 300 minimums. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. Retard. Retard.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus Delta 1971.
Traffic 2.5 out, cross runway 9 right, then turn left on November.
Last side right, left on November, Delta 2438.
Southwest 9012, turn left on November, hold short of Papa.
Left at order, hold short of Papa, Southwest 9012. Denver 3301, disregard traffic.
Departure, good night.
Good night, ma'am. 461597.
Runway 9 left, drill Lima, 0.75.
Going across line, 9 left on Lima, 0.75, just 5, Delta 2661.
Delta 1971 up Papa, cross runway 9 left, drill Lima, 0.75.
runway, Southwest 5614. Alright.
About 2338, taxi by the group.
Taxi here, Blue, up 2030.
Can I depart you guys?
Taxi 629, good day.
Calling 1708, runway 8 left, clear land.
Clear land 8 left, go to 15.
It's on November, hold short of Papa.
Okay, crossing 9 right at Sierra Charlie, left on November, short of Papa, Delta 2449.
Full 8 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 5614.
Delta 503, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
8 right, line away, go 5.
Left on November behind Southwest.
Now, Romeo 3, cross 9 right, left on November, for Delta 56.
Delta 1378, taxi by Victor Luke.
Take a look, Delta 1378.
Clear line.
Good land, 9 right, Delta 1240.
Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
Line up wait, 8 right, now
1376 Papa cross runway down to left, going 0.75. traffic 2.5 out, cross runway 9 right, then turn left on November.
Last line right, left on November, Delta 2438.
Southwest 9012, turn left on November, hold short of Papa.
Left in order, hold short of Papa, Southwest 9012.